do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Well, hi, my name is Jeff Barlett, and I'm going to be teaching you how to play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Also do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is also called the C major scale on the acoustic guitar. So, why is this important to learn? Well, because if you know these 8 simple notes, you can easily read simplified sheet music and play a lot of songs just with these simple notes that go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Very simple to learn how to read simplified sheet music. So now I'm going to teach you these notes on the acoustic guitar. So on the 3rd fret of the low E string, you're going to have C or do. On the 5th fret of the low E string, you're going to have D or re. So you have do, 3rd fret, low E string, which is a C, and then re, 5th fret of the low E string, so that's going to be a D. And then on the 2nd fret of the A string is going to be mi, which is going to be an E. And then the 3rd fret of the A string is going to be an F. And then 5th fret is going to be a G of the A string. So 2, 3, 5 of the A string is E, F, G, and then we go down to the D string, so it's going to be 2, 4, 5, so that's going to be A, B, C, or fa, ti, do. So you may be wondering, why is this tutorial useful for learning the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C? Well, what you can do now is you can get yourself some simplified sheet music, and you can learn to fingerpick a lot of songs now. So, I'm going to fingerpick the melody of Come Come Ye Saints with only the notes that I just taught you. Let me show you. G, G, A, B, G, F, G, A, B, C, B, G, A, G, F, G. And now you know how to fingerpick on the acoustic guitar using the C major scale. And because I plan on using this method in a lot of my future fingerpicking tutorial videos, I'm going to be referencing this video back in those future videos. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more guitar videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.